How's it going, YouTube? I just wanted to do a quick video on how you change your windshield wipers on a 2021 and up Ford Bronco. So I have quite a few miles on mine now, and this is actually the third set of wiper blades that I've needed to use. Second time changing them, and I've owned at least 18 cars and trucks in the time that I've been driving. This is the first time that wiper blades have been something other than the typical like little loop connector. Usually you have like a hook and you slip the wiper blade in and out of it, and it's super universal and easy, but Broncos had to be different. So I'm going to show you what it is. It's by no means hard, but I'm going to show you the connection type that they are and how you swap them out. When I go outside of the truck, it's insanely windy here, but I needed to get this done because mine are pretty bad. So I'm going to show a lot of it to you in the truck. I'm going to jump outside and show you me just swapping it out quick. Okay, so I'm using the Platinum scrubber blades. I feel like these help get the bugs and gunk off. I mean, on any flat windshield truck, you get a lot of bugs, things like that. So these seem to help keep it clean. This is your standard connection type. So normally you just slip the windshield wiper blade in there, and the arm goes and clicks in here. You snap it tight and you're done. Well, that's not the case of the Bronco. So these are all the different connections that you get with a typical set of wiper blades, and we're actually going to need this piece and this cover to go over it when we're done. These, never seen anything that uses these before. Those you can set aside. So what we need to do is we actually have to pop this off. So you just have like a little pin, and you just kind of have to press that to get it to release on both sides. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with one hand. All right, let me pop this off quick. So you just have to press them in. Actually, press them in while you get it. There we go. I got it with one hand. Okay. So you're gonna remove this entire big assembly. That's garbage. Now, you need to take this clip, pop it into place. Okay, I gotta use my other hand and pop this. Okay, so I got that in, and you can see that's all it is. And then you have this piece that actually has a little post in the middle that is just going to clip into this. Again, struggling because I'm trying to do this with one hand. Yep, you get the point. I'm gonna get this clipped in. So it's clipped in. It allows the wiper to kind of rock, and this is what you need to attach it out there. So I'm going to go out and pop the old one off, pop the new one on, and call it a day. Because it's so windy, you're not going to be able to hear anything. So I'm actually just going to put the phone inside the truck, go outside, and then swap it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. I hope this tip helps. And be sure to like and subscribe and click that little flag button so you see when we get our next video dropped. Thanks, everyone.